Is that glass of milk you drink every morning actually a superfood for your bones, or is it a silent trigger for your exhaustion, bloating, and skin breakouts? Have you ever stopped to wonder why, despite all the calcium commercials, our digestive systems seem to be at war with dairy? Is it possible that the very thing we were told was essential for growth is actually what's holding your health back? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the dairy industry. It's time to ask, is milk still what it used to be? Let's find out. Think of your body as a high-end computer. Have you noticed how some software runs perfectly while others just make the whole system hang? Why does milk affect everyone so differently? For some, it's fuel. For others, it's the reason for that midday slump or chronic stomach pain. Have you considered that your body might be trying to tell you something your grandmother didn't? Now let's talk about the workers in your gut. Did you know you have an enzyme called lactase whose only job is to break down milk sugar? But here's the scary part. As we get older, don't those workers often go on strike or just quit entirely? When that happens, do you realize the milk just sits there and ferments? Can you imagine what that rotting process does to your insides? Is it any wonder you feel bloated, gassy, and uncomfortable? Here is a question that might shock you. What else are you drinking besides milk? In modern factory farming, aren't cows pumped full of growth hormones and oxytocin just to keep the supply high? When you take a sip, are you prepared for those extra hormones to crash your own body's delicate insulin and growth balance? Could this be the real reason behind those painful, stubborn breakouts on your face? We've all heard you are what you eat, but have you ever thought about what the cow eats? Instead of natural grass, aren't these cows often fed a diet of soy, gluten, and processed junk to make them grow faster? If the cow is suffering from internal inflammation, don't you think that inflammation is being passed straight into your glass? Could this be the hidden root of your IBS or unexplained weight gain? Do you wake up every morning with a stuffy nose or chronic congestion? Do you just blame it on allergies or the weather? What if I told you science links dairy directly to increased mucus production? If you're constantly clearing your throat or dealing with sinus pressure, isn't it worth asking if your dairy habit is the one causing the inflammation in your lungs and nose? But wait, what about your bones? Isn't milk the only way to get calcium? Well, have you looked at the nutrient density of spinach, broccoli, or even certain fruits lately? If you can get all the minerals you need from a balanced plant-based diet combined with regular exercise, do you really need the processed dairy? Are you relying on a 1950s marketing campaign or modern nutritional science? Why is modern milk designed to stay fresh for weeks on a shelf? Have you thought about what ultra-pasteurization and homogenization actually do to the liquid? By boiling away the beneficial bacteria and natural enzymes, aren't we just left with a processed, milk-flavored drink that our immune systems don't even recognize anymore? Ready to be your own detective? Why not try an elimination test? Can you go just 30 days without milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter? If your skin clears up, your energy skyrockets, and your bloating vanishes, wouldn't that be the only proof you ever needed? Are you brave enough to listen to your body's reaction when you try that first sip after a month off? Worried about your morning coffee or cereal? Why not explore the world of coconut, almond, or oat milk? Don't you want the creamy taste without the hormonal baggage or digestive war? Why settle for something that makes you feel okay when you could feel incredible? At the end of the day, milk isn't bad, but is it right for you? Isn't your health worth more than just following a habit? So tell me, are you going to take the 4-week challenge? What's one dairy-free alternative you're excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this eye-opener was exactly what you needed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more truth bomb health tips. See you in the next one.